Hello everyone, welcome back in my video. In last video I have demonstrated some tools of the Avogadro software. Now in this video we will learn the rest tools for optimizing the molecular geometry. Very first we can change the background color. So you can go to the view option, then set background color. You can pick any color from here. So let us say I am picking this one, then OK. Your background color will change. Now I am going to select the first draw tool. By default you will get a drop down menu in which there are frequently used atoms. So I am choosing the carbon. Now there is the bond order in which you can choose either single, double or triple bond, then adjust hydrogens. So when I click on this display panel, the valency of the carbon will automatically satisfy by the hydrogen atoms. If I drag this carbon molecule and release the left button of the mouse, the carbon atom will automatically balanced by the hydrogens and you will get the molecule of the ethane. Now the bond length is not optimized. So first we will go to the extension and optimize the geometry. Now this is the optimized geometry. First we will use the navigation tool. So I am selecting this navigation tool. So by using this navigation tool we can do three things. We can translate the atom, we can rotate the atom, and we can change the size of the molecule, like zoom in or zoom out. So there are various options available either from your laptop keyboard or by the use of the mouse. So if you hold the left click of the mouse or your laptop, or then if you click the mouse, then there is a navigation tool that provide you the rotation of the molecule either along the y axis or x axis. So by using this you can rotate the molecule. So this time I am holding the left button of the mouse, or you can hold down the left button of the laptop keypad. If you hold down the right click, then you can translate the molecule either in any direction. So these are the two keys available. Even you can use the control or shift button. So let us say I am pressing the control button. Now if you are pressing the control button, so while press the control you can use the arrow keys. So now I am just pressing the right arrow key, left, then up, then down. So by holding the control key you can move the molecule either left, right or up or down. If you hold the shift key and press the up key, the size will be bigger, and if you hold down the shift key and press the down key, down arrow key, size will reduce. Even if you hold down the shift key and press the left button or left arrow key, it will rotate clockwise. Similarly, with the right arrow key it will rotate anti-clockwise direction. So, these are the basically tools available with the navigation tool. Now, suppose I am rotate little bit more. Okay, now it is better. Next is basically the bond centric manipulation tool. So, by selecting this bond centric manipulation tool, you can select this bond. It will shows you the different types of bond forming with the atoms. So, here is blue color plane is showing the different angle forming between different types of atoms. So, if you want to rotate it, then let us say I am suppose rotating it, and this blue plane comes to the yellow color. So, it means when you rotate this plane and color will change, it means now the atoms are in the same plane. So, these atoms 1, 2, 3 they are in the same plane. So, this is the basically bond centric manipulation tool. So, by using you can adjust the bond length, even you can adjust the hydrocarbons. Like suppose if I click on this hydrogen atom, so you can rotate this. Like this, and like this one. If suppose I choosing again navigation tool and you rotate this, so this is the perfectly matching exactly one over each other. So, this was the use of the bond centric manipulation tool. Next is basically the manipulation tool. So, by clicking this manipulation tool, you can change the bond length or bond angle, right. When I click this one, you can change like this. You can change the bond length, you can change the angle. So, this is the basically possible with the manipulation tool. So, if suppose our geometry is disturbed, so again we are going to the extension and optimize the geometry. So, it again will optimize the geometry. Next is basically our selection tool. So, before going to the selection tool, I am again going to the drawing tool and selecting bromine. So, when I click here, your bromine is there. Now, this bromine is basically suppose by mistake and you want to remove it, then the selection tool can be help you. So, first I am using the navigation tool to view it some different angle like this. Now, if I am going to selection tool, so there are 3 different options available: molecule, atom or by residue. Now, suppose I am clicking on the atom, so I can select the bromine alone. Either you can select the carbon also. If again you are going to the navigation tool, you can rotate this. Now, your bromine is already selected. So, if you are going to the selection tool and press the delete button, bromine will delete.